Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to science class. Today we will start chapter number 3, uses of plants. In this chapter we will try to learn in what different ways we people can use different types of plants and also different parts of plants. Now before starting the chapter, I would like you to do a small warm-up exercise. Open your science books to page number 16. Over here you can see the warm-up exercise. It says circle the pictures that are made from the wood of a plant. So there are certain pictures given and we will try to circle only those that are made from wood. Over here we see a cell phone or a mobile phone. A mobile phone is not made from a plant or a wood of the plant, so we will not circle this. This is a leather bag. A leather bag too is not made from the woods of a plant, so we will not circle this. Next, we have a football. A football is not made from the wood of a plant, so we will not circle this either. But over here we have a boat, a wooden boat. We can see that this is made from the wood of a plant, so we will circle this like I have done. Use your pencil to circle it. Next, or the last one, is a wooden ladder. Now this ladder too is made from the wood of a plant. So we will circle the ladder as well using our pencils. Now let us come to the chapter. Plants are useful to us in many ways. They give us food, medicines, rubber, gum, fibers, oils, perfumes, wood, etc. So, you can see that plants play a very important role in our day-to-day life. In our everyday life, if we see, plants are extremely important to us. If we look around us, we see that the wooden chair that we are usually sitting in is made from plants. The oil that we use to cook our food is also comes from plants. The fruits and vegetables that we eat are also a part of a plant. So we can see how important they are for our everyday life. Let us further explore this. Food. We get most of our food from plants. We eat different parts of plants. Roots. We eat the roots of some plants. Carrot, radish, beet. So you can see that we eat different parts of a plant. We studied parts of plants in our previous chapter. So we eat different parts of different plants. There are some plants जिनके हम roots खाते हैं. So for example, carrot, a radish or a beetroot. These are all roots of different plants that we eat and incorporate in our diet. Turn to page number 17. Fruits. We eat the fruits of some plants. Orange, apple, coconut. कुछ plants होते हैं उनके हम fruits खाते हैं. So for example, orange, apple, banana, coconut. These are some examples of the plants जिनके हम सिर्फ fruits खाते हैं. Stems, leaves and flowers. We eat the stems, leaves and flowers of some other plants. कुछ other plants हैं उनके हम सिर्फ stems, leaves और flowers खाते हैं. For example, sugarcane and potato. ये इनकी हम सिर्फ स्टेम खाते हैं. तो जो आलू होता है वो बेसिकली आपके प्लांट की स्टेम होता है जो कि आप खा रहे होते हैं. और शुगर केन गन्ना आप लोगों ने देखा होगा तो उसका भी हम स्टेम खाते हैं खाली. स्पिनच एंड कोरिएंडर, दीज आर लीव्स. स्पिनच, कोरिएंडर, मिंट, ऑल दीज आर प्लांट्स जिनके हम लीव्स खाते हैं और बाकी के पार्ट्स नहीं खाते. फ्लावर्स, कॉलीफ्लावर, ब्रोकली, ये सारे वो प्लांट्स हैं जिनके हम सिर्फ फ्लावर्स खाते हैं और फ्रूट्स वगैरह नहीं खाते. सो यू कैन सी how we can utilize different parts of different plants. Seeds. We eat the seeds of some plants. Cereals and pulses are seeds of plants. They make up the major part of our food. So कुछ plants ऐसे होते हैं जिनके हम सिर्फ seeds खाते हैं. तो जो cereals वगैरह होते हैं या जो दालें होती हैं हमारे यहाँ वो जो है वो एक्चुअली क्या होती हैं. Those are the seeds of different plants. So for example, wheat जिससे आटा बनता है, rice, corn, these are all cereals and these all are seeds of their plants. Pulses में we have chickpeas, green peas. Chickpeas मतलब चने होते हैं, green peas मटर. तो these are all seeds of a plant. We get oil by crushing the seeds of some plants. We use oil to cook food. कुछ plants ऐसे होते हैं जिनके seeds को जब हम crush करते हैं तो उसके अंदर से we get oil and that oil can be used to cook food. So groundnuts, sunflower seeds, mustard seeds. Mustard seeds से आपका mustard oil निकलता है, sunflower oil निकलता है. Now come to page number 18. Spices. We get spices from some plants. We add them to our food to make it tasty. Turmeric, black pepper, cardamom, clove. So there are certain spices that we add, masale जिनको हम उर्दू में कहते हैं, to our food, and because of that we can enhance the flavor of our food and make it more tasty. Those spices too come from plants only. For example, black pepper हो गया, elaichi, cardamom, clove, turmeric. These are all some examples of spices that come from different types of plants. Other food. We get tea and coffee from plants. Tea is made from tea leaves and coffee from coffee seeds. They are refreshing drinks. Now we have talked about spices and fruits and vegetables. Now let's talk about some other type of food. So we get tea, chai and coffee as well from plants. Tea is made from different types of tea leaves. Over here you can see the picture. And coffee is made from small coffee seeds or coffee beans. They too come from their respective plants. We get chocolate from cocoa seeds. Chocolate too is made from plants. So there are cocoa seeds that make chocolate. We get sugar from sugarcane plants. Sugar is used to sweeten our foods and drinks. The sugar that we use and put in our different drinks and different desserts, that too comes from a plant called the sugarcane plant. Now note down your homework for today. You're supposed to read pages 16, 17 and 18 twice. 2 दफ़ा आपने इन तीनों pages को read करना है. Now this is all for today. We will continue the rest of the chapter in our next class. Thank you.